Okay, so Mike decided to take this one down from the bottom because this tree is covered in English ivy. It's a balsam fir, and it's at least 140 or so feet tall. There's Mike there. He's done the V-cut, so now he's going to go around the back side, do the final cut, and drop this baby. It's a big tree. We're here in Mowats Park, Salt Spring Island, just by our main village of Ganges. It's January 21st, 2011, and a great morning for cutting trees. Just under 50 degrees Fahrenheit here. Yeah, it's good on this side. He's going to drop her now. This guy's going to come down with a crash. This is a big tree. Yeah, at least 140 foot. This is a very well used park. It's like I say, 55 acres of forest. There she goes. There she goes. Whoa, nice. Good one. And that's the end of that one. The last one was 90 years old. I counted the rings in it. They grow fast.